this is the first automobile news wrap up of my channel Aruna Vlogs. So in this automobile news wrap up, you will get my videos every Sunday of this news wrap up on only Aruna Vlogs channel. In these automobile news wrap up, you will get to know that which automobile company launched its new car facelift or new generation or a new car. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So our first news is that Hyundai India launched Hyundai i20 next generation. You can see on your screen some photos are leaked, images are leaked. You can see this is the new i20 rear and side look, and these are the dashing alloy wheels. You can see, but the price of this i20 in the segment is very high than compared to the other cars in this segment, hatchback segment. Some images are leaked. You can see this is, and the bookings are also opened. You can see these images. This is the proper rear look. It is a very good car. You can see now it is the interior, whole front interior. The steering, you can see it is matching from the new Hyundai Creta. It was also launched 2 months back. This is the meter. This is the biggest infotainment system. It is of 9-inch or 10-inch infotainment system. In the segment, it is the biggest compared from Baleno, Eltros and other cars in the segment. So this is the whole images you can see. Now let's see second news of the automobile news. So let's see the second news. So the second news is that Tata Motors officially launched Tata Harrier Camo version in the Indian Tata market. In the Indian market, sorry. So this is the Tata Harrier Camo version. You can see it is written Camo. It is not any facelift or any next generation. It is only addition of, but only some cosmetic changes are done in this Camo version, and it also comes with sunroof. You can see now. We can see its interior also. Now this is the interior image leaked. The bigger changes to notice is the cosmetic change. You can see all the things in piano black or only black tone, not in dual tone. Gray black combination is given here, and the only roof is peach type, white peach type color only is given, and everything is same. Gear knob is also same, and infotainment is the same. Everything is same. So let's see the third automobile news. Next news is that Fiat Jeep company launched its Compass facelift version. You can see it now comes with dual tone black and white color. You can see on your screen. This image is leaked, and you can see the change on the outside. The interior image is not leaked. Only outer image is leaked. So I am showing you only the outer image. You can see here the fog lamps now comes with projector, and you can see here is a front camera and 2 parking sensors, and you can see these types of changes are done. This is also an image. This is a similar image. So let's see the fourth news wrap up. So the fourth news wrap up is that Honda Motors launched its Amaze and WRV with some cosmetic changes. You can see here in WRV, it is a red black tape design here in the bumper, in the two doors it is also comes in the other side, and some more cosmetic changes are done. The interior images are not leaked, so I could not bring them. Here you can see Amaze is looking normal, not any cosmetic change I know, but this news comes, so I am giving you all. You can see here is written also introducing exclusive editions WRV and Amaze, and these are the two both cars. So let's see our fifth news wrap up. So here you can see the fifth and the last news wrap up. The Mahindra Rice company launched its XUV 500 next generation or a facelift version in Indian market. Mahindra showroom. You can see 2020 Mahindra XUV 500 is written here. This is the animated image leaked. I don't know this is the real image or the no fake image, but the image I have got, I have you can see here the alloy wheels are changed, and the many cosmetic changes are done here. The side mirror is changed, and the bigger change is in the front. You can see the headlights are totally changed, the fog lamps design are totally changed, and fog lamps are also changed. The whole bumper and bonnet in design is changed, and the front grill is also changed, and this is the whole look of the car. And this is another image leaked, you can see on your screen. This is I know this is the XUV 500. It is long, as you can see here, and another image is also leaked. You can see here it is the car on a test drive on a road, Indian road. You can see it is covered with a plastic cover or a cloth cover, so you cannot see the whole. So but you will know this is the real XUV. You can see here by this image. So this is the XUV 500, the real XUV 500 launched. We will only see in the when it is launched, and bookings are open in the showrooms. So let's see when it is launched. So if you like this first automobile news wrap up, you can uh, like this video. If you dislike, you can hit the dislike button. If you like, please hit the like button, and if you are new in this channel, to do subscribe to this channel and share this video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye, stay home, stay safe, bye.